Hi my dear children, how are you all children? Yes, that's good. I hope that you are all fine at home. Are you ready? Are you interested for today's class? Yes, nice. Now we are going to learn English subject. Let's move on to the topic. Today class we are going to learn the sounds of the letters O and U that are from your phonic skill book children. After that we have to do some activities that are from your literacy skill book. Are you clear? Yes. Move on to the topic now. First we are going to learn the sound of the letter O. Shall we see some examples for this? See here what it is children. Can you name this first picture? What it is? Orange. What it is? Orange. What it is? The second picture. Can you name this? Onion. What it is? Onion. Read the words with me children. Okay. Orange, onion. How we pronounce these words? How we pronounce? Orange, onion. From these two words we can understand the sound of the letter O. That is O. Orange and onion. Okay children. Let's see some more examples. Now we are going to look and read some words that are end with the letters OB. Before that, let's pronounce the letters OB together. Okay, let us learn to pronounce these letters. O, B, A, I, Ab. We have to pronounce the letters OB together as Ab because the sound of the letter O is A. B, Ab. Okay, children. B for Ib. Yes, Ab. How can we pronounce the letters OB together? Try yourself. O, A, Ib, B, Ab. Okay children, is it clear? Now C is added to Ab. How can we pronounce the letter C? Ka, Ik. Ik plus A, Cob. Ik plus A, Cob. Yes, again we have OB. How can we pronounce this? Ab, A, Ib, Ab. The letter J is added. How can we pronounce the letter J? What is the sound of the letter J? Ij. Ij plus a job. Now it's your turn children. You have to pronounce these words. OB as ob. Yes. Now the letter L is added to it. What is the sound of the letter L? Il. Il plus a log. Very good. Try yourself. Okay. Ob. 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 Ib. Ob. The letter M is added to. What is the sound of the letter M? Can you tell? Im. Yes. Im. Im plus a mob. Very good. Again we have OB. 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 The letter R is added to it. What is the sound of the letter R? Can you tell me? R. What is the sound of the letter R? Ir. Ir plus a rob. Very good. Now it's your turn. Try this word to pronounce. S-O-B. Is, a, ib. Sob. Yes. O plus is sob. Very good children. Move on to the next one. Now we are going to look and read some words which are end with the letters O-D. Before that, let us learn to pronounce these letters together. Okay. O as A. Orange, onion, O. O as A. D. The sound of the letter D. Id. The sound of the letter D. Id. Odd. Let's see the example. OD as odd. C is added to. Now try to pronounce this word C-O-D. Cord. Ik or cord. Very good. How can we pronounce the letters O-D together? Odd. O-D. Odd. Now letter N is added to odd. How can we pronounce? In plus odd. Nod. Very good. Again we have O-D. How can we pronounce these letters? Odd. O-D. Odd. Very good. Now the letter P is added to it. What is the sound of the letter P? Ip. Ip. Ip or pod. Very good. Again we have OD or Ir plus or rod. Very good. Like this you have to pronounce each words. Okay. Next we are going to read some words which are end with the letters OG. Before that, let's learn how to pronounce the letters together. Okay. OG or ig. The sound of the letter G, ig. Og. How can we pronounce the letters OG together? Og. Very good. Let's see some more examples. Og is there. B is added to it. What is the sound of the letter B? Ib. P, ip. B, b. S. B plus a, bog. We have to pronounce these letters as bog. Very good. Og is there. OG as we have to pronounce this as og. Very good. C is added. Ig plus a, cog. Very good. See here again OG. Try yourself. How can you pronounce these letters together? OG. Og. Very good. Now the letter D is added. What is the sound of the letter D? Id. Id plus a, dog. Very good. Again we have OG that can be pronounced as og. F. What is the sound of the letter F? If. If plus or fog. Very good. Again we have OG. How can we pronounce the letters OG together? Og, ig, og. Very good. Again letter is added, that is J. What is the sound of the letter J? Ij. Ij plus a, jog. Very good. Super. Now it's your turn. Try to pronounce these letters L, O, G. Il or ig. Log. Very good. Super. Move on to the next one. Now we are going to read some words which are end with the letters OP. Before that, let us learn to pronounce these words together. OP or ip. P gives the sound ip. B gives the sound ib. Okay children, please try to differ the sounds. Okay. OP as op. OP as op. See here, OP as op. C is added. What is the sound of the letter C? Ik. Ik plus a, cop. Very good. Again we have OP, op. A, ip, op. H is added. What is the sound of the word? Letter H, ha. Ha plus a, hop. Hop. Okay. Again we have OP. Try to pronounce these letters. Try yourself children. How can you pronounce these letters? OP, op. Very good. A letter is added. What is it? P. What is the sound of the letter P? Ip. Ip plus a, pop. Ip plus a, pop. Again we have pop, P-O. M is added. What is the sound of the letter M? Im. Im plus a, mop. Mop. Very good. Again we have OP. A for O, ip for P. Op. T is added. What is the sound of the T? Chap. Top. H plus OP. Top. The next one, we are going to read some examples that are end with the letters OT. Before that, let us learn how to pronounce these letters together. A, it, ought. A, it, ought. OT together as ought. Let's see some examples. C is added to it. Okay. Ik plus ought. Caught. C-O-T. Ik, it. Caught. Next, how can you pronounce the letters OT together? Try yourself. It, ought. D is added. It, dot. D. It plus ought, dot. Very good. What it is? H is added to ought. OT, ought. Hot. The sound of the letter H, ha, hot. What it is children? L. L is added to ought. How can we pronounce? What is the sound of the letter L? Can you tell? Very good, super. Il. Il plus ought, lot. Very good. Now we have added the letter P. What is the sound of the letter P? Ip. Ip plus ought, pot. Very good. One more is for you. What is this? R. What is the sound of the letter R? Ir. Ir plus ought, rod. Very good. Move on to the next one. Now we are going to read some words which are end with the the letters OX. OX as pronounced as ox or X. The sound of the letter X is X or X. Ox. We have to pronounce the letters OX as ox. Let's see some more examples. Ox is there. C is added to ox. The sound of the letter C is ick. Ick plus ox. Cox. Very good. OX. Try yourself. How can you pronounce the letters OX together? Yes. Ox. It's ox. B is added. What is the sound of the letter B? B. 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 Ox. Box. Very good. Again we have OX, that is pronounced as ox. F is added. What is the sound of the letter F? If. Fan. If. S. F-O-O-X. Fox. If. Ox. Fox. Very good children. I hope that you are all having a clear idea about the sound of the letter O. Now it's time to do some activity. Are you ready? Yes, the activity is now you have to tick the correct words. Yes, in each question you have a picture and you have 2 words. You have to tick the correct word for the given picture. Can you see this picture? Can you see these? There are 2 words. What it is? Fox, box. Which is correct, children? Yes, this is a box or fox? Fox. This is a fox. Very good. The second one. Tick the correct option. Co-top. Co-top. Which one is correct? Yes, cope is correct. Which one is correct, children? Corn or pod? Can you try? Yes, very good. Pod. Pod is correct. See this one. Which one is correct? Can you see? This girl is crying. Sob or rob? Which word is correct, children? Yes, sob. S-O-B. Sob. Very good. The second one. Can you see this cup of tea? Yes. Which one is correct? Cot or pot? Which one is correct? Yes, hot. The cup is full of hot tea. The tea is very hot. That's why the correct word is hot. The next one. Can you see this girl? Yes. Which one is correct? The first word is jog. Dog. Which is correct? Yes, jog. The girl is jogging. Very good. That's it, children. Now we are moving on to the letter U. Yes, now we are going to learn the sound of the letter U with some examples. Let's see the examples. Can you see there are 2 pictures on the screen? Can you name the first picture? What it is, children? Umbrella. What it is? Umbrella. What it is? Uncle. Umbrella. Uncle. Pronounce the words loudly. Umbrella. Uncle. From these 2 words you can get an idea about the sound of the letter U, that is A. Umbrella. Uncle. Shall we see some more examples for better understanding? Come on. Now we are going to read some words that are ended with the letters UB. Before that, let's learn the pronunciation of these 2 words. Okay, UP as UB. We have to pronounce IB. UB. How can we pronounce the letters UP? UB. U gives the sound A. B gives the sound B. UB. C is added. Now can we pronounce this as cub? Ik, a, ub, cub. The next again we have up. D is added. It plus up, dub. Very good. Again we have up. H is added. What is the sound of the letter H? Can you tell me? Ha. Ha. Horse. Honest. Yes, ha. Ha plus hub. Hub. See the next one. Hub is already given. Or is added. What is the sound of the letter R? Try yourself. R. Yes, R plus up. Rub. Try, children. Open your mouth and repeat after me. Okay. UB. How can you read this word? How can you pronounce? U-R-B. Ib. Ub. Yes, the letter T is added. What is the sound of the letter T? Can you tell? It. Tub. It plus up. Tub. Let's see some more examples. Now we are going to read some words that are ended with the letter At is there, C is added, C gives the sound ik. Ik plus at, cut. Next one, B is added. What is the sound of the letter B? Ib. Ib plus at, bud. Im. What is the sound of the letter M? Im. Im plus at, mud. Very good. Now we are going to read some words which are end with the letters U and G. We can pronounce letters UG together as ug, a, ik. The letter G gives the sound ig, ug. Ug is there, B is added. What is the sound of the letter B? Ib. Ib plus a, bug. Ug is there, D. Id is added. Id plus a, dug. Ug is there, J is added. What is the sound of the letter J? Ja. Ja, ug, jug. Ug. How can you pronounce the letters UG together? Try yourself, children. Try. Yes, very good. UG, ug. M is added. What is the sound of the letter M? Im. Very good. Im, ug, mug. Yes, P is added now. What is the sound of the letter P? Ip. Ip plus a, pug. Very good. Again we have a. R is added to this. What is the sound of the letter R? Ir. Ir plus a, rug. Very good. Now we are going to read the letters, words that are end with the letters UN. Before that, try to pronounce this UN as un. A, in, un. Okay. Try to pronounce yourself. UN, a, in, un. Very good. B is added. What is the sound of the letter B, children? Try yourself. Try to open your mouth and answer. Yes, ib, bun. Ib plus an, bun. Un is there. The letter F is added. What is the sound of the letter F? F. That is if. Fan. For example, fan. If plus an, fun. Un is there. The letter R is added. We know that the sound of the letter is ir. Very good. Ir plus an, run. Again we have un. What it is? Yes. What is the sound of the letter yes? Is plus an, sun. Try yourself, children. Okay. Try to pronounce all the words. Now we are going to read some words that are end with the letters U-M. Are you ready? Read with me. First read the letters U-M together. A-im, We can pronounce the letters U-M together as Try yourself. Now it's your turn. Pronounce these letters. U-M, A-im, Very good. G is added. What is the sound of the letter G? Ik. Ik plus gum. Very good. Again U-M. How can we pronounce this? H. What is the sound of the letter H? Ha. Honest. Horse. Ha. Ha plus hum. Very good. Again we have hum and M is added to that. What is the sound of the letter M? Im. Im plus mum. Very good. Again a letter is added, that is S. What is the sound of the letter S? Can you tell me? Try yourself. Is plus some. Very good. Now we are going to read some words that are end with the letters UP. Try to pronounce these letters together. UP. We can pronounce this as up. Ip. The sound of the letters P is P. Up. Let's see examples. C is added to up. Then we can pronounce this as cup. Ik plus a, cup. Now the letter P is added. What is the sound of the letter P? Ip plus a, pup. S is added. What is the sound of the letter S, children? Try yourself. Is plus a, sub. Very good. Now we are going to read some words that are end with the which letters? U-T. Try to pronounce these letters together. U-R-T, it. At. It, at. See here. At is already there. B is added to that. B plus a, bud. The sound of the letter B is B. Ba, it, but. C is added. What is the sound of the C? Ik. Ik plus a, cut. What is the sound of the letter G? Try yourself. Ig. Ig plus and gud. What is the sound of the letter J? Ij. Ij plus and jed. What is the sound of the letter H? You can pronounce the words horse or honest. Yes, ha. Ha plus and hut. What is the sound of the letter N? Children, try yourself. In. N. The letter N gives the sound in. In plus and nut. Very good. Children, now I hope that you are all having a clear idea about the sound of the letter O and U. Now it's time to do some activity. The first activity you are going to fill in the blanks as, okay, you have a picture clue. What it is, children? Can you name this? What it is? Yes, very good. Rug. It is a rug. Which letter is missing? Yes, U. Ir, ug, ig. Rug. U is missing. Very good. Now see the picture. What it is? Can you name this? Tub. T dash B. Which letter is missing, children? Yes, U. T-U-B. Tub. The third one. What it is, children? Can you name this? What it is? Bud. What it is? Bud. Which letter is missing? B dash D. Ip, A, D. Bud. Which letter gives the sound A? U. Very good. The next one, what it is? Name this. Sun. This is sun. Yes, dash N. A letter is missing. Find and tell the missing letter. What it is? Yes, U. S-U-N. Sun. The next one, what it is, children? This is walnut. Can you fill the missing letter? Guess and tell me. N dash T. Which letter is missing? Correct. U is missing. That's it, children. Now we are moving to the activities from your literacy skill book. Okay. Look at the pictures and complete the words. Okay. See the pictures. Two pictures. Can you name this? This is a toy top. What it is? Cot. Can you see the? Can you fill the complete the words by seeing the picture? What it is? Cot. This is top. Which letter is missing here? Oh, very good. You are telling the correct answer. You have to fill the two letters to complete the word top. Top. It. Ip. What is the answer? O P. Very good. C O T cot. T O P. Top. The next one, see here, can you see these two pictures? What it is? This is bun, this is nip, this is nip. You have to fill the missing letters and complete the word. Which letter is missing in the word bun? U. Very good. You are telling the correct answer. U is missing. Which letters are missing in the word nip? Nip. In, E, ip, nip. Which letters are missing? I and P are missing. Very good. The next one, see here what it is, children. Can you name this picture? Hut. What it is? Hut. What it is? Tin. Yes, first fill the letters for the word hut. Which letters are missing? Ha, A, it. Hut. What are the letters are missing? Yes, U and T. Very good. Tin. T-I-N. Tin. Very good. Have you enjoyed this class, children? Have you all enjoyed the activities? Yes. Now it's time to note the follow-up activities. See here, phonics skill book. From your phonics skill book, you have to do this activity. Read, trace and write the given activity. Please make note the page number properly. 12 and 5. Thank you, children. Thank you. 12 and 15. Thank you, children. Take care of your health.